how to create an email sequence in Convertkit. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create an email sequence in Convertkit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Convertkit and navigate to the sequences section. Over here, you will see any existing sequences you may have created. After that, click on New Sequence and give it a name such as Demo Sequence. Then click on Create Sequence. Over here, you will see an example email template. You can add multiple emails to your sequence. For the first email, if you want it to be sent out immediately after someone signs up, set the delay to 0 days. Then, for the second email, you can set it to be sent 2 days after the first email. After that, for the third email, you can set it to go out 1 day after the previous email. Then, for the fourth email, you can customize the delay and settings as you like. Once all emails are set, make sure to click Save All and turn the emails to Published. After that, go back to your sequences page, and over here, you will see your newly created sequence listed. So that's how you can create an email sequence in ConvertKit. That's all for this video.